In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create thread in Slack, how to start new thread in Slack. Threads are the easiest way to keep conversations tidy in Slack. Instead of dropping replies into the main channel and creating noise, a thread keeps related messages grouped together, so people can catch up quickly without scrolling forever. Here's how to do it from start to finish. Start by opening Slack and heading to the conversation where the message you want to respond to lives. This can be a public channel, a private channel you're part of, or a direct message. The key idea is that you don't start a thread from scratch. You start it from an existing message you want to reply to. So navigate to the right place and locate that specific message. Now, move your mouse over the message you want to reply to. On desktop and web, hovering reveals a small toolbar of icons just above or beside the message. If you don't see it at first, pause your mouse over the message for a second and those quick actions will appear. This is where you'll find the option to start or continue a thread. Click the reply and thread icon. It looks like a speech bubble. When you click it, a thread pane opens on the right side of your Slack window. If other people have already replied to this message, you'll see the conversation history there. If not, you're about to create the very first reply and kick off the thread. Type your message in the composer that appears in the thread pane. You can write a quick response or a detailed update. Use formatting, emojis, and attach files if that helps provide context. If you need to make sure someone sees your reply, mention them with the @ symbol and their name. That sends a notification. You may also see an option to also send your reply to the main channel. Turn that on only if the whole channel needs the update, otherwise keep it in the thread to reduce noise. When you're ready, send your reply. Press Enter to post it. If you need a line break without sending, use Shift+Enter. Once sent, your message shows under the original post in the thread pane, and a small thread counter appears on the original message in the channel, showing how many replies there are. People can click that counter anytime to read or add to the conversation without cluttering the main chat. That's all it takes to create and use threads in Slack. Use them consistently to keep discussions focused, make catch-up easier for teammates in different time zones, and keep channels clean and readable.